Welcome back to my Fit Life Insight channel. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey, exploring the top 10 spices that do more than just excite your taste buds. They cleanse your arteries and could potentially shield you from heart attacks. Healthy arteries are vital for overall well-being, allowing the smooth flow of oxygen-rich blood, nourishing every cell in your body. So why not spice up your meals while fortifying your health? Stay tuned as we delve into the world of spices with surprising health benefits. First on our list is the golden spice, turmeric. Revered for centuries in traditional medicine, turmeric is more than just a culinary delight. It's a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant powerhouse. The magic lies in its active compound, curcumin, which is believed to have heart-protecting properties. It helps to keep our arteries clear by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress, two key contributors to heart disease. So next time you're cooking, why not add a dash of this golden goodness? Turmeric, a golden spice with golden benefits. Next up, we have the pungent powerhouse, garlic. This humble spice is a cardiovascular champion. Packed with potent compounds, garlic works wonders in lowering blood pressure. But that's not all. Its unique properties also help prevent the buildup of plaque in our arteries. That's right, garlic can help keep those vital blood vessels clean, promoting smooth circulation and reducing the risk of heart attacks. So don't shy away from that strong aroma. Embrace it. Garlic, a simple spice with profound effects on heart health. Moving on to a warming spice, ginger. This aromatic root is not just for flavor. It's a powerhouse of health benefits. Known for its anti-inflammatory properties, ginger can help reduce the inflammation in your arteries. But that's not all. Ginger is also a hero when it comes to reducing cholesterol levels and preventing the formation of blood clots, both of which are crucial for maintaining healthy arteries. So ginger is not just warming your dishes, but also your heart. Ginger, a spice that warms your heart in more ways than one. Next, we explore the sweet spice, cinnamon. This delightful and aromatic spice isn't just for your favorite desserts. It's packed with antioxidants that help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. But its benefits don't stop there. Cinnamon also has properties that can help reduce high blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Moreover, it aids in improving blood circulation, ensuring that your heart is well supplied with the oxygen and nutrients it needs. Cinnamon, a sweet spice with a heart of gold. Now, let's turn up the heat with cayenne pepper. This fiery spice is not just about adding some zing to your meals. It's packed with a compound called capsaicin, a potent substance that's been shown to reduce cholesterol and triglyceride levels. This dynamite ingredient doesn't just stop there. It also boosts your blood circulation, ensuring your heart gets a healthy supply of oxygen and nutrients. So the next time you're cooking, remember to sprinkle some cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, a hot spice with cool benefits for your heart. Next, we have a hidden gem, fenugreek. This spice, often flown under the radar, is a powerhouse when it comes to health benefits. It's been known to help control diabetes by regulating blood sugar levels. But that's not all. Fenugreek is also a champion at reducing cholesterol, aiding in maintaining a healthy heart. This humble spice, while not as well known as some of its counterparts, definitely deserves a spot in your pantry. Fenugreek, a little-known spice with big benefits. Moving on to an aromatic herb, rosemary. This fragrant herb is not just a flavor enhancer, but also a powerhouse of antioxidants. These antioxidants combat harmful free radicals, reducing inflammation in your body. But that's not all. Rosemary is also known to boost blood circulation, ensuring a healthier heart. Its circulation-boosting properties aid in keeping your arteries clean, making it a great addition to your heart-healthy diet. So, the next time you're cooking, don't forget to sprinkle in some rosemary. Rosemary, a fragrant herb with heart-friendly benefits. Next on our list is a versatile herb, thyme. This humble green plant is packed with antioxidants that can help ward off harmful free radicals from our bodies. But that's not all. Thyme also has properties that may help reduce blood pressure and cholesterol levels, making it a valuable ally in maintaining heart health. It's not just an aromatic addition to your dishes, it's a treasure trove of health benefits. Thyme, a humble herb with lofty health benefits. Last but not least, basil. A fragrant herb that's more than just a pizza topping, basil offers an array of health benefits. It's packed with antioxidants that combat harmful free radicals, and its anti-inflammatory properties help in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Basil plays a significant role in heart health, particularly in regulating blood pressure. The compounds found in basil help dilate blood vessels, promoting better blood flow and reducing the risk of heart-related ailments. Basil, a leafy herb with bountiful heart benefits. These are the top 10 spices that can clean your arteries and prevent heart attacks. We've journeyed through the aromatic world of turmeric, with its anti-inflammatory properties, to the heart-friendly benefits of garlic. We've explored the wonders of ginger and cinnamon, each packed with antioxidants that protect your heart. We felt the heat of cayenne pepper and its ability to lower blood pressure, and we've learned about fenugreek's role in controlling cholesterol levels. Rosemary, a flavorful herb, has been highlighted for its circulatory benefits, while thyme, a culinary favorite, is also a heart health hero. And let's not forget basil, a leafy green with a mighty power to prevent heart disease. Each of these spices, when incorporated into a balanced diet, can do wonders for your heart health. Remember, the key to a healthy heart is in your kitchen. Thank you for tuning in to Fit Life Insight. Don't forget to subscribe for more health tips and insights. Stay healthy, stay happy,